How to add user in Connecteam. Let's get started. First, log into your Connecteam admin account using your email and password. On the left-hand navigation bar, click on Users to open the User Management section. Inside the Users section, click on Add Users button. You'll now see three options. Manually add users, import from a CSV file, send an invite link. If you choose manual entry, you'll need to fill in each user's details like name, phone number, email, and role directly in the dashboard. To add multiple users at once, select Import CSV. Just download the template, enter your user info, and upload the file. Or choose to send an invite link, allowing users to complete their own details and join your team easily. And that's how you can add users in Connecteam. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.